long as it didn't get long. Brand new shaft and coupler up the tractor end.
Mowed this field, didn't
On this good bush hog, right on up here, walk up, yep, and move this field. Move this field so we get out of this sale and park all these cars out here. Works right along. Hey, they're on the bush hog. Somebody get $2,000. $2,000 too. Teddy but buddy with $2,000. Somebody get $1,500. $1,500. Petty but buddy with $1,500. Somebody get $1,000. $1,000 here. Teddy but buddy with $1,000 here. Teddy but buddy with $1,000. Somebody get $500. On the bush hog. Teddy but buddy with $500. Buddy with $500. Petty but buddy with $400. 400. Petty but buddy with $400. On a good bush hog here. And Petty but buddy with mowed this field. Somebody get $400. 4, Petty but buddy with $300. 200, 300, 300 out of Petty with 3. Got 2, now 3, Teddy with 300 out of Petty with 3. 200 out of now 3, Teddy with 3, 4. 400, Petty with buddy with 400 out of Petty with 4. 3, 4, worth that. 300 out of Petty with 400 out of Petty with 4. Got 300, now 4, Petty with buddy. You won't regret that. $400, Petty with buddy with 400 out of Petty with 4. 350. Got 300, 350, 350, 400, 400 out of Petty with 400 out. Got 350 now, 400 out of Petty with 400 out of Petty with 4. Got 350 now, 400 for Petty with 400. Shaft on the end costs more than that. 350, 400. Petty with 4. Sold $350. Buyer number 74. 74. Now you got this John Deere 1470 on this buyer. John Deere 1470 on this buyer. All right. Hey, right here with John Deere. Somebody get 5,000. 500, 5,000, 3,000. John Deere here, $3,000, $2,000 on this buyer. $2,000, $2,000 from the John Deere. $1,000 here, $1,000, $750. 750 on the John Deere, $750 Hey boys, they worked all right, Ryan.
Worked all right. Tell you 500, just quit passing the ball. 500.
5, 6, everybody 600, got 5, now 600,
7, 800, 800, 900, not even 900, 1100, 11,000, now 1100, 11,000, now 1100,
hey, bigger and better here. Just fine. Pour yourself out. Hey, 24-12. 24-12. They work good.
didn't use it this year, Ryan, but last year he run them both. They were both worked okay.
Yep, didn't use them this year, but that's what they cut all the hay away from the plant, and they worked okay. And they're on the gale, selling at 3,000. 3,000, $1 buddy with 3,000, selling at 2. 2,000 here, 2, didn't get buddy with 2,000, buddy with somebody with 1,000 here.
Yep.
Now 1,250, 15. 1750, 2000, 2250, 2250, 50 buddy with 21 help you. 2021, 22, 2200 out of 22. 21 now 2, 2200 out of 50 with 22. Got 22 now.
23,
2300, 24, 50 with 45, 2500, 26, 27, 87, 2700, 26, 2700 out of 27. Got 26 now 2700 out of 50 with 2700 out of 28. 28, 9, 2900, 28, 9, that'd be 9, 29, 3, 3031, 31, 3031, 3100 out of 3100 out of 31, 3000 now, 31 out of 31, buddy with 31. Sold $3,000, buyer number 1, buyer number 1.
You talking about a tedder, Ryan?
Yeah, 75 feet.
Folds out, we pull in about 3 windrows at a time.
I say, it's true.
Good feet
Still on there on the course.
Hey, somebody 3,000, 73, 50, 2500. 25, 2500 out of the buddy,
2500 out of the buddy, 2000. 2000, 2100, 2000, now 21, 21, 22, 22, 22, 2200, 25, 26, 26, 77, 27, 27, 8, 28, 9, 2900, 2903, 3000, 31, 3100, 31, 3100 out of the 32, 33, 34, 3405, 35, 36, 3607, 3700 out of the 38, 3800 out of the 38, 9. Yeah! 4,000, round off. Yeah! 41, 4100, 41, anybody 41, cut down 41, anybody 4100, 4 now 41, 4100 out of anybody 41, got you 4 now 41, 4100 out of anybody 4100 out of anybody 4100 out of 42, 43. 43, 4300, 42 now 3, 4300 out of everybody 43, 42 now 3, 4300 out of everybody 43. So $4,200, buyer number 35.
Hey, little single row, but it does the job, Ryan.
Yeah, I know a guy that used it. He liked it pretty well. Hey, right there. Somebody give 1,000. Somebody give 500. 500 here. 500 give 300.
Yep.
300, 350. 300 give 300 on the small tender here. 3 now 350. 350, 325, 325, 325, 50.
Yep.
75, 175,
400.
Yep.
425, 5, got 4 now,
25, 420, everybody divide 425, everybody 425. So 400, buyer number 12, buyer number 12.
Now y'all got to change your tune here.
Yeah, hey, get down around here.
I think this thing's only been used one season.
Yep, only used one season, I believe. When you look at the teeth there,
That's close enough.
barely got the paint off of the Speedrake SR 112.
Yeah, I mean it just not been used much at all.
Oh, the tune right there, and somebody 15,000. 15,000, buddy, 15,000, everybody,
15, somebody get 10,000.
10,000 here, you're looking at it right, 10,000.
10,000, 10, 10,
5,000. $5,000, $5,000 now 6. 6,000, 6,000, 6, we're going the other way, 6,055, now 6. $6,000, 6. 55 now, 6,000, $6,000, 65, 6,500, 7,000, big rate for $7,000.
I know you're not going to need it till spring, but get it in, you're going to wish you'd have bought it.
65 now, $7,000, 7. 6,500 now, 7,000, sir. $7,000, 7. $7,000, 7,000, 6,750. Help you. 6,750 will keep you out of the 7. Sounds better anyhow. 6,750, 7,000. $7,000, $7,000, 7. Got 6,750 now, 7,000, 7. So 6,750. Number 112. Thank you, sir.
Hey, on the hay buster, 1206.
No till.
Drill.
Yep, no till.
He said it's A-OK. Does the
A-OK.
job for him.
And it looks good. On the hay buster, 1206, no till drill right there. And right here, somebody 6,000. $6,000, $6,000, 4. 4,000, $4,000, 4,000, 3,000. 3,000, 2,002, 2,000, no till drill here for 2,000. 2,002, 2,000, somebody give $1,000. $1,000 here on a no till drill. $1,000, $1,000. $1,000 here. Somebody get 500. 500 on a no till drill here. 600. 600 out of 6. 500, 600 600. Got 5 now 6. 600 out of 6. 500, 600 here. 6. Everybody did 600 out of 6. 700, 700, where we at there? 700 out of 7. 600, $700. Got 600 now, 700 out of 700 out of 7. So $600 fire number 106. 106. Newt Salas corn planter.
All them parts go with it there.
Yeah, the parts and remote are right there.
Yeah, with your phone markers and it's A-OK, boys. You want
A-OK.
the field and work for you. There it is.
They were working it. In right here. Somebody at 4,004. Petty the buddy at 4,000. 2,000. $2,000 here too. Petty the buddy at $2,000. Under the buddy at somebody at $1,000. $1,000 here. 1,000 on a planter here. $1,000 under the buddy at $750. $750. Petty the buddy at $750 here. On a planter. $750. $750. Petty the buddy at $750. Petty the buddy at $500. $500 here. Petty the buddy at $600. 600, 5, now 6, hit it, 600, got 5, get it to 600, down the buddy to 6, 500, 600, down the buddy to 600, 6, 7, 700, 7, set even, buddy to 7, 8, 800, down 9, that even 900, down the 9, got it, 9, now 1,000. $1,000, $1,000, 900, $1,000 on the buddy with 1,000, got 900, now $1,000, one buddy with $1,000 on the buddy with 1,000, 900, now 1,000, all done, $1,000 on the buddy with 1,000, 900, $1,000 on the buddy with $1,000 on the buddy with 1,000, $1,000 on the buddy with 1,000, so $900, buyer number 84.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.